Let's see how to use the multimeter in OTW. To do that, we will build a simple circuit line. First, we add a simple resistor in the circuit. Then we add an electric light bulb, which is a kind of resistor. This is why it is stored in the resistance menu. And then let's add a couple of traces from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. Then let's set the resistor to 10 ohms for this example. Okay. And start the power supply set to 5 volts. As you can see, the light bulb is not fully illuminated. Let's check with the multimeter what is the voltage at the light bulb terminals. We select DC for direct current, and we see that it receives much less than the 5 required volts. To check the voltage, of course, we have to do it with the power supply on. If not, the measurement will be 0, of course. If we want to measure a resistance of a component, we have to do it with the power supply off. We never measure the resistance of a component with power in. To finish, if we want to remove the red and black bands, we just have to click on each with the left mouse and then right click. That's it for this video. See you soon on the wire.